Low testosterone in men. Recognize the symptoms and take control of your T levels. Recent studies have found that approximately 40% of men over 40 suffer from low testosterone levels. Nearly half of men in this age range are facing a health condition with potentially negative effects. The most common symptoms associated with low T are fatigue, decreased libido, erectile dysfunction, increased body fat, decreased muscle mass and strength, decreased bone density, depression, anxiety, and irritability. Low testosterone levels can be frustrating for men. Fortunately, several supplements may help with this condition. So let's dive in. 1. Zinc can boost testosterone levels. Zinc is an essential mineral that has been found to help increase testosterone levels. It can be taken as a supplement or obtained from foods such as oysters, nuts, and seeds. Zinc is also in beef, crab, cashews, and pumpkin seeds. When taken in an adequate amount, zinc can help improve testosterone levels and enhance male health. Research has shown that supplementing with zinc may increase circulating testosterone levels in both young and older males. In addition to its role in regulating testosterone, zinc is also important for maintaining a healthy immune system. Zinc helps keep the body's protective barrier strong and fights off infection. It is also necessary for proper growth and development in both children and adults. A deficiency of zinc can lead to a weakened immune system, increased susceptibility to illness, poor wound healing, and delayed physical and intellectual development in children. 2. Vitamin D enhances testosterone production. Vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin, is essential for overall health and has been found to increase testosterone levels in men. It can be obtained from foods such as salmon, mushrooms, and fortified milk, or taken as a supplement. Recent studies have revealed vitamin D can help to optimize testosterone levels, allowing men to boost their natural production of this all-important hormone. For the body to produce testosterone, it needs an adequate amount of cholesterol. Cholesterol is broken down with the help of vitamin D. Without this required conversion process, testosterone production would be significantly reduced or even stop altogether. Vitamin D also plays an important role in the regulation of enzymes that are responsible for testosterone production. Studies have shown when vitamin D levels are low, the activity of these enzymes decreases significantly. This can cause a decrease in testosterone production and eventually lead to lower levels T. Before moving on to the last 2 T boosters, if you want more natural ways to skyrocket your T and restore your manliness, you can download the Male Hormone Hack e-guide by visiting cellsauce.com/thack. 3. Boost T levels with the little-known herb called Tonkadale. Tonkadale, also known as Ericoma longifolia jack, is an ingredient derived from the root of a shrub found in parts of Southeast Asia. This herbal remedy has been used for centuries by many cultures due to its numerous health benefits. Recent studies have revealed that Tonkadale can help to naturally boost testosterone levels and increase male fertility. This is due to its ability to block the production of enzymes that convert testosterone into dihydrotestosterone, which has been linked with baldness and low libido. By blocking these enzymes, Tonkadale helps keep more testosterone in the body, thereby increasing levels of this hormone. In addition to its role in testosterone production, Tonkadale also has benefits for male health. The herb is known to improve libido and sexual performance, as well as reduce fatigue and stress. It may even aid in muscle growth and recovery after exercise. Overall, Tonkadale is a safe and natural way to boost testosterone production and improve male health. It is available as a supplement or in powder form, so adding it to your diet is easy. 4. How omega-3 can help increase healthy levels of testosterone. Omega-3 fatty acids are a type of polyunsaturated fat found naturally in certain foods and dietary supplements. They are essential for good health. Research has revealed they can have many positive effects, including improved testosterone levels, a healthy inflammatory response, and they can support heart health. Studies have shown that omega-3 fatty acids have a positive impact on the production of testosterone. When it comes to testosterone, omega-3s can help by decreasing inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 factors that can hurt testosterone production. Moreover, omega-3s have been shown to improve the endocrine system, which facilitates optimal hormone balance, including testosterone. Finally, omega-3 fatty acids can help to reduce stress and anxiety levels in men, which can have a positive impact on testosterone production. Studies have suggested that the mood-boosting effects of omega-3s can lead to improved testosterone levels and overall reproductive health. As you can see, zinc, vitamin D, Tonkadale, and omega-3s are 4 key nutrients that can help boost testosterone production and improve male health. These essential vitamins, minerals, and herbs are all readily available in supplement form or as part of a healthy diet. To ensure optimal levels of testosterone in the body, it is important to get adequate amounts of these nutrients through either food sources or supplements.